Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to choose frequency of recurring messages on the application of Canva. You will go to this application here, as you see, and you will click. In this page, you will wait a moment until you find this sign here of this window, and you will click here in this page. You will go to this window of personal. Here we go to this window of settings. Then in this page you will wait a moment. Then we go to message preferences, and here you can choose frequency of recurring messages on the application of Canva. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.